Guys, today let me show you how you can order liquor online. It's all over the news that apart from Mumbai, all other places in Maharashtra can be catered to home delivery of liquor. The only thing that you require is a permit. Let me show you how you can get a permit online. After you open Google, just type the website name which I have shared on the screen. Click on New User. There are two options. Select option number 1, which will allow you to use your mobile phone number to get the OTP and to register yourself. From this drop down menu, select your district. For me it is Mumbai city, and then enter your 10-digit mobile number. Then press send OTP. Immediately you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Now you have maximum of 5 minutes to enter the OTP here. After the OTP, we have to create a new username. It is similar to your username which you use in Gmail or any other emails. Once you type your username, you can press the check availability tab. Only if there is no one with the similar name, you will be proceeding to the next level. Create a new password. The password should contain minimum of 8 letters, a capital letter, small letter, special character, and a number. Enter all the other details which have been asked, like your full name, which will be automatically translated in Marathi. Then add your date of birth and your age will be calculated. If you are a minor, that is below 21 years of age, you wouldn't be able to proceed. So be sure that you are not a minor. Now check the I accept button and then register. Press OK. This will take you to the main home page. Now from here you have to add your login details, that is your username, your password, and the CAPTCHA, which has been written as ZATGE. You have to enter whatever CAPTCHA is given at the time when you register. Then select your district and login. After you log in, on the left hand side there are several tabs. You have to scroll down to the home department. Once you click home department, there is a sub department where you have to select Maha Excise Department or State Excise Department. Then again scroll down, you will find numerous options. We are only considering today for the 1-day permit of foreign liquor, which is here. Click on the radio button and select proceed. On this page you can see that I have already applied, but I will show you how to apply it again. So on the left hand side there are several options similar to the ones which we saw earlier. Just select what you require, that is the 1-day permit for international or foreign liquor. Select it, so there will be a separate page opening up. In this page you have to add your Aadhaar number and select next, or select send OTP. Only if your mobile number is registered on with your Aadhaar, then you will receive an OTP. Once you receive your OTP, immediately type it down and select verify OTP. On this page, everything will be automatically populated. You just have to select submit and save. This will take you to the payment page. This is your application number. You can click a photograph for future reference. This is your payment page, and you can see that it is 5 rupees for the as an application fee, and the rest is your taxes. You can pay it from net banking, Paytm, credit, debit card, whichever you like, but each of them have their own charges. I have selected Paytm for this transaction. This is the payment details, and from here I will proceed for payment. This is the final page confirming that I have paid and with my application number. This application number you have to present at the time of delivery or at the time of ordering your liquor.